In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Salesforce effectively, allowing you to navigate and view your dashboard with more ease. Whether you're drowning in dashboard details or just want to get a better overview of your workspace, this quick tutorial will get you on the right track in no time. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Salesforce's homepage. This foundational step ensures you're in the right environment from the start. Salesforce's interface can seem a bit overwhelming, especially when you're in the midst of handling data, so getting familiar with the layout from this very point is key. Keeping a keen eye on these details will certainly help you feel at home as we go forward. Once you've landed on the Salesforce homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner. That's where the login button resides. Hovering in this area should prompt the login option to become more prominent. It's designed for ease, so once you've spotted it, just click to proceed. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to get logged into your Salesforce account. While entering your credentials, ensure they are accurate to avoid any holdups. Remember, if you encounter any trouble with logging in, Salesforce provides tools to help recover your account or reset your password. With access to your dashboard now granted, it's time to adjust your view. Perhaps you're dealing with a complex data set, or your monitor size isn't quite optimal for the current layout. Zooming out can definitely make a difference in how you perceive the information displayed. The simplest method to zoom out is using your keyboard. On most systems, this can be done swiftly by pressing the Control key along with the minus key. As you press Control and minus, you'll notice the view of your Salesforce dashboard starts to shrink or zoom out. This action allows you to see beyond the immediate data in front of you, opting for a more expansive view of your work environment. Bear in mind that the degree to which you can zoom out will depend somewhat on your browser settings and monitor size, so feel free to adjust until you find a comfortable view that suits your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to zoom out on Salesforce, which is particularly useful for gaining a broader perspective on your data. Remember this handy tip as you navigate your Salesforce usage, whether on intricate projects or day-to-day tasks. With these insights, you're now better equipped to manage your dashboard and workflow with greater clarity and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy sales forecasting.